Hello, this is Terry. Welcome back to another episode of Survival Crafts 2. What a weird voice I just made. Yeah, I just did an intro by looking at this sea urchin there. That's kind of weird. Yeah. Today, we're back in creative because I do not know why. Because we are doing some more animal challenges. And looks like the black bull egg is a little bit similar to the wolf egg, as I could see. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and also please sure to click the like button as hard as you can, and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments down below for more videos of Survival Craft 2. As I spawn some rhinos. Yeah. How you doing there, Mr. Rhino? Mr. Rhinoceros? Yeah. And also I'm going to be spawning some big cats like the leopard there. Behold! The most powerful, fastest animal in the world. Leopard. Is that it? Oh no! Leopard, run! There's a rhino! Run as fast as you can! Run as fast as you can, leopard! Run as fast as you can, leopard! Oh! Oh no! Oh no, the two rhinos! Oh no, the leopard's in trouble! And he's dead. The dead leopard just flew across the screen. Alright. Next big cat, we've got the tiger. One of my favourite big cats of all time. Tigers. Because they're super duper hot. Let's spawn some more tigers. I should have spawned some more leopards than just one. Well, here it is. Yep, too many leopards. And too many tigers. Look at the rhino's in trouble with the 4 tigers and... no, 3 tigers and a leopard. Get rid of that. Rest in peace, rhino. Oh! There goes another rhino! Rawr! Rawr! Get away from me, rhino! No! Ah! I'm too weak! And the rhino's a bit too slow. I wish it was faster than the cheetah. Ah! No! Leopard's like, get away from me! No! Ah! Ah! I want my mama! I want my mama! I want my mama! Mama! And a poor tiger as well. I'm getting a little bit confused. Run! Run, leopard! Run for your life! No! Don't turn your back! No! See? You're dead. Yeah, this is why we don't have sea urchins in the ocean. Because you can get hurt by them. And it all looks like it's raining. I don't know, Mr. Big Cat. Yeah, for some reason, guys, if you don't know what Survival Craft 2 is, Survival Craft is, the lions are not really fast as a tiger, or a leopard, or a jaguar. Yeah. There's another challenge with Rhino versus Big Cat. No! Rhino, that's not a lion, that's a tiger! Supposed to get the lion, not the tiger. The tiger's got 1 heart left, and you killed him! You know, we'll just spawn another... We'll just spawn another rhinoceros. Because rhinos are big and dangerous. Rhino! No! Oh no! I don't mean to punch the rhino. I was gonna tell him to, get the lion. I'm just gonna drown him anyways. Who cares? Yeah. Go, Rhino. Oh no! The sharks joined in the battle. Lion? You might need to watch out. Oh no, Rhino's going back! No, Rhino, get on land! Get on land before you get eaten! Rhino, sharks are too powerful! Oh, Rhino, Rhino, go back on land! Quick, quick, hurry up! Quick, 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 quick! There you go. Lion, I think you need to go back on land, because the shark will come and get you. The lion's not really listening. Oh, it'll spawn some more sharks in there. Lion, I think you need to go back on land. Go on, Lion, go back on land. I'll push you. Oh no! See, I told you there's a shark in the ocean. That's gonna come and get you. Run, go quick. Lions don't go quick in this game. But tigers can. And jaguars. Yeah. I just thought the runner was getting hurt by a cactus. I pushed him into the cactus. The hell? There's fur in there. Oh, that must have been the lion. Oh no, Jaguar, look out! Look out, there's a shark! No! Oh, great. I thought the jaguar to. I actually thought the jaguar just jumped on land before he got eaten. You know what? We'll just spawn some more jaguars. 3 of them. 3 of the trio. Go on, you trio. Get in the ocean. Have a swim around. It's not bad. There are no snakes in the water. There are no snakes in the water. It's just only fish that you can eat. Yeah. Oh no! Your brother's getting eaten by a shark. You better get him. Kill the shark. Go on, Jaguar. Get on land. Quick, quick, quick. No, no. Don't fight the shark. No, no, no. Quick, 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 quick. Yay! You made it. The Jaguar has made it. Yeah, I just thought the Jaguar was going to come after me again. After I punched him in the face. Yeah, I think he's a little bit afraid of me now. Those big cats are big scaredy cats. Big cats are big scaredy cats. Your turn. Ooh, shark's gonna smell the glorious blood of the shark. I mean, the tiger. Brrr. Yeah. Run, tiger, run! Run! Yeah. What was this? Oh, it's just a bit of meat. It's a tiny bull shark! What the hell? Oh, it's just the shark's fin. I mean, shark's tail. I just thought the shark was just going zigzag, zigzag through the ocean. Got a grizzly bear. Oh, 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 oh. Go on. Oh, bull shark attack. Yeah, eat. Go on, bull shark, eat the bear. Oh, the bull shark is not really powerful enough. But this baby can be powerful. The great white shark! Well, two of them are gonna eat the bear. Because that's what they get for eating their son. That's what a bear gets. Your turn to go in. Since you ate the tiger instead of the lion, so that's what you're gonna get. That's what you're gonna get, Rhino. Look at a stack of sharks. I saw the two stacks of sharks. Let's try tiger shark, and the very less powerful shark is the bull shark. Let's put it right there. Look at all that meat. There's more than some sharks in there. Tiger sharks and bull sharks. Let's just get rid of those. Yeah. And also we need to spawn some more vicious predators. The lion. Go on, lion. Get in the sea, it's not bad. Go on, lion, it's not really bad to go in the ocean. Oh, speaking of bad, the shark's right there. Oh no! The lion, no, run away, don't run away. The sea's not bad. Come on. Nah, never mind. Oh, why am I speaking so Scottish? I'm Scottish. There's a lion. So want some more lions. It's raining lions. And they're rising above the sea. The lions are rising above the sea. Hail the kings of the jungle. Oh, oh no! Lions, your friend's getting eaten by a tiger shark. Oh no! Poor tiger shark. Oh, quick, shark, eat all the lions before they escape from the ocean. Look at those sharks eating some meat. It's like we love meat. Yeah, get eaten. Oh no, poor lion. I kind of feel sorry for the animals, but in I just saw the lion just run into the cactus. Spawn some seagulls. I spawned some birds in the ocean. Because they're very weak, aren't they? Those small creatures. Yeah. Let's eat all the chicken. Turn the seagulls into chickens. More seagulls. Mm, delicious. Is the seagull's dead? Yep, it's dead. Yeah. By the way, I love doing a challenge of spawning animals in creative mode of survival craft 1 and 2. Yeah. Let's get let's look at the lion's butt. Yep. Just one shot and look at that. The dead lion's bouncing on a tiger shark. Jesus. Swim for your life, seagulls. Yeah, one seagull escaped and the other is literally dead. Spawn some more seagulls. Delicious seagulls. Quick, sharks! Before the seagulls will escape! Yep, go on. Go on, go on, sharks. Eat all the seagulls before they escape and fly away to the skies. Come on, eat them. Yeah, just swim to the ocean. Oh. Oh. Yeah. It's why I don't like it when I'm in survival mode. That's why I don't like it when sharks show up in front of my screen and eat me alive. Because that just gives me nightmares. Because sharks are way more scarier than rhinos, tigers. Well, rhinos are a bit more scarier than tigers. How you doing, a shark? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, if you want to do some more Survival Craft 2 videos, please sure to click the like button as hard as you can, and subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments down below if you did enjoy it. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye!